Hey guys, it's me, the Rockstar. Today, today I'm gonna show you my oldest videos or reviewing them. Oldest. It's this one. Rise Star. And there's lots of them. Oh, that thing. I remember I used to pick it up and let it go fly. Pretending it's like actually flying. Oh, there's actually a lot of videos right here, including my dead dad passed away recently. I used to like Transformers too. Then I got like this Chinese Plants vs Zombies story. I used to like the Five Nights at Freddy's. Yeah. Megatron. I remember those. I remember getting all of them. Oh, I remember this. Is this Dinosaur King from Kinder Joy thing, and it turns into a skeleton. That's all. Turns into a skeleton. My father. We have Aunt's video, entomology things. Trap, no trap. Trap, no trap. What is that I'm holding? I know what I'm holding. What is a basket? But what is that? I'm tearing. What is that I'm tearing anyways? What's that? Oh, it's my tita. Orange. Who sadly died too. Sometimes I got this and it actually glows in the dark. And you can actually open his mask. You see like Jarvis too. Is that his name? This is the video where open its mask. There he go. That's what he looks like. I used to get that. I used to watch Hotel Transylvania. I tried to be cool, you know. Did some spa. Oh, I remember this cat. I used to have a stray cat pet thing as a pet named Bread. Now he's gone, missing. Two of look, you the drove the TV over you. So well, I actually recorded this in a funeral, sadly. Then some like crazy stuffs right here. My old stuff. Oh yeah. Uh, oh, I missed this. That's Nuggets. It's a Tutti. I wish I could meet Nuggets, but she's now adopted, and the other kittens are dead. One time, my pet Cola, tried to eat Chachuching, I think. That was her. And I got mad at her. I'm gonna let my mother or my grandmother remember this thing. So don't worry if he's Tagalog. I'm Tagalog too. Ma! Ma! Remember mo ni Nuggets? Kung liit niya.
Tingin?
Ganito. Ito chuching. Ito. Nag-video na ako si Nuggets. Ito chuching. At si Sleepy Guy. I don't know what to did that. Okay. Somehow a car. Somehow I got a pink snake. I use this how to make up with a skull kitten in a second. Have a fun. My hair. I try to be cool like one of those quiet kids, but Ma, remember mo? Nag nag-adopt adopt ka sa aso. Ito. Adopt ka sa aso. Ayun no. Noyens. Anong pangalan ng aso?
Ano po, si Gray yata yan. J? Gray.
Gay? Somehow I got a Tom and Jerry too. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew, pew. Somehow my other family or cousins got a dog here.
Magische Erfahrung war. Abracadabra, denn dieser Kuma war so bombastisch.
I'm not sure about that. Ah, Ma, remember ito? Ikaw yan.
Saan yan, sa Baguio?
Opo, sa Baguio. Man, these are cringe. That is cringe. I don't like making emojis now, so I just click it. I just only make these now. I remember I used to have an account in Roblox named Whippersnapper's Chain, but my mother told me there's pedophiles. And that's all. That's all. That's all my videos. If this video gets like 15 likes, I'll show you the private videos. These two right here. These two. Next to the chicken with wellies. If this video gets 15 likes,